Hey guys, this is the Chat God. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to share a swing trade I've been holding for the past 9 days. This is a trade on Volatility 101S index on the Deriv broker. As you can see on the chart, I entered at this position and I've held this trade for 9 days up to this current point. As I speak, I am currently running in $50,000 plus in profits from a $3,500 account. And the good thing is, price hasn't still arrived at my TP, which means I'll be holding this trade until price reaches my TPs. So again, this is my entry on the daily time frame, and if you count the candles, you will see that I've been holding this trade for the past 9 days. So without further ado, let me give you guys a breakdown of how and why I got into this trade and why I decided to hold this trade until price gets to my take profit. Before I begin, I would like to state that I am a professional swing trader who strictly trades price action. I don't trade ICT, I don't trade SMC, I trade strictly price action, which means I can hold my trade for days provided that my setup remains valid. I don't close my trades until market structure is invalidated. So for everyone watching, as long as you understand market structure, you should be able to flow along in this video. So let's begin. On the daily time frame, price has been trending to the downside. As you can see, price took out these lows, this high took out this low, and retraced back into this area. This other minor zone was broken and price retraced back to the upside to gain momentum. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see a series of lower highs and lower lows as price descends to the downside. This high took out this low, and this high took out this low. So as a price action trader who understands market structure, I am expecting this high to take out this low, which brings me to my point of entry. On the 30 minutes time frame, I can see a series of higher highs and higher lows, and the moment price broke this key level, I waited for a reversal and entered at this point. Since then, price has sold all the way to its current position. Now, here comes the interesting part. This is where professionalism comes into play. If you look closely at this chart, price sold all the way down to this level, giving me $52,000 plus in profit, but later retraced back into $9,000 in profit. While most amateur traders would have exited their positions in fear, immediately they noticed this retracement. I didn't panic. I firmly held my positions until price sold again to the downside, giving me about $59,000 in profits. Later on, to my surprise, price again for the second time retraced massively to the upside, reducing my profits to $70,000. But then again, I still held my positions. I was not moved, and after a day or two, price sold massively again to the downside, approaching my first take profit level. For those of you watching, you might be surprised by the reason why I decided to remain in the trade despite many red flags. The reason is simple: years of market experience and an advanced understanding of price action. I have a rule: I do not exit a trade provided my setup remains valid. My aim for this trade is for price to sell into this zone, which is my profit target 1, and also sell into this second major zone below for profit target 2. I'm gonna be holding this trade until price gets to my take profits positions. However, I might be exiting this trade only if price invalidates my setup, but for now, we are still active. Also, I'll be sharing updates on this trade in my upcoming videos and also in my Telegram group and all my social media platforms. The links to all my social media platforms are in the description below. If you have any question regarding this entry or how I trade, do not hesitate to drop them in the comments below. Also, give us a like and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video. So here's an update regarding the trade. So price finally hit my take profit one, and I am up with $72,000 in profit. So I exited this trade at $70,000 in profit. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.